Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix search bar if not working in Windows 11. So if you're trying to search for a specific thing but the search bar it's not responding, then I'll show you how you can fix this issue. As the search bar is not working, therefore you have to press Shift plus Control plus R and Task Manager will open. From there you have to select the Windows Explorer or File Explorer, and there you will see this option for restart task. You have to simply click onto this option. After that you may open the search bar. There are chances that it will be working like this, but let's say if still not working, then there's still one more solution that you can try it out. Now we have to open a run command. So for that you have to press the Windows plus R key from your keyboard, and then this window will open. There you have to write services.msc, and after that you have to click on OK, and this window will open. From this window you have to look for Windows search. Once you find the Windows search, you have to do a right click onto it, and after that you have to click on properties. Here you have to click on stop and disable it, and after that you have to simply again stop it and apply it and click on OK. Once you have done it, now you have to do a quick restart of your PC. Once you have done it, go back, open it up again, and again do a right click onto it, go to properties, and now you have to set the automatic and apply and click on OK, and also do a start. Once it is done, click on OK. Now your issue will be fixed. Now you will see your search bar will be working. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.